Hey folks, welcome back to our series on the Mixpanel. Today we are dive deep into understanding what events are and how they appear on the Mixpanel dashboard. This is crucial for everyone looking for actionable insights from their user data. So let's start with the basics. What exactly is an event? An event is a recorded action that a user takes in your digital environment. When we talk about an event, we mean that something significant has occurred, something we want to keep track of. For instance, if you run an e-commerce website, example of events could be added to cart or purchase completed. It is important to distinguish what is not considered an event. Simply viewing a web page or scrolling will generally not qualify as an event. Events are generally high-value actions that offer meaningful insights into user behavior. High-value actions are the major steps to conversion. For example, added to cart or purchase completed are high-value actions because they indicate a strong intent to convert. So, to pull out of this perspective, let's take an example from Amazon.com. Imagine we have to implement Mixpanel on the Amazon's website, and we want to track the user purchase funnel. Now, a user viewing a product page could be considered an important event. Why? Because it shows intention and can be critical for our analysis, which we'll dive into in future videos. Another crucial event could be adding to cart. This also indicates a strong intention to buy and is a significant action that we want to track. But let's think about something like changing quantity of product in the cart. While it may seem like an action, I understand, but it is not really a major step to conversion. Instead, it is more of a data point that we want to measure. In this case, changing quantity is best captured as a property associated with the add to cart event rather than as its own separate event. So now let's briefly look at the Mixpanel dashboard. Here you can see a list of example events for our sample e-commerce company. And yes, along with these events, you see some associated properties that provide a bit more context. You can see here right now some of the properties are default from Mixpanel, some of the properties are custom properties. You can see as cart, discount code, and you understand from this example, like discount code usage can be considered as a property. So if you are wondering how to decide what should be an event in your specific case, feel free to contact me and I will share the link in the description below. So before we wrap up, I want to recommend another great resources that dives into power of tracking a single event effectively. This is from Alan Binman from Mixpanel. I'll share the link to that video in the description. Here the video. Trust me, it's a must watch if you're serious about analytics. And that wraps up today's on understanding events in Mixpanel. Stay tuned for the next part where we'll dive deeper into another core concepts of Mixpanel. Bye guys.